Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change a resume photo in Canva template. So here I've already on the template page in Canva apps, and as you guys can see here, that resume tends to comes with a photo, and you can change if you want to know how you can change the photo in the template. Here is how. So I'm going to choose one of the resume, for example, okay, this one. So just wait until it's load. And to change the photo, what you need to do is click on the photo in the template, and you'll see at the bottom there's a replace button. Click on that. Then upload your photo if you haven't, but if you already uploaded, you can just choose the photo. Okay, so the photo has been changed. You can always adjust the position by double click on the photo and adjust it by dragging it down or zooming it in as you like. So click on done, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.